The course evaluation summary sheet is an optional tool which offers a summary of your quantitative course evaluation data. This tool may be used as part of your teaching dossier, to support an award or grant submission, or simply to gain a deeper understanding of your course evaluation results. This template is not required. It is a resource designed to help instructors present their course evaluation data effectively. This video will walk through the step-by-step instructions of using this template. There is a completed sample summary sheet which you can always go back to for reference. Go to the Fill-in Summary tab. Step 1. Enter your name and department. In the upper left corner of the template, replace the placeholder text with your name and department. Step 2. Enter your course information. Please note that the grayed out columns will be updated automatically. Don't edit the grayed out columns. In column A, enter the course code and section. In column B, enter the semester. Please note that you can list your courses chronologically or you can group by course code. Step 3. Enter your response rate information. In column C, enter the number of students invited to complete the evaluation. This number can be found on the table on the second page of your course evaluation report. The information entered in column C will auto-populate the course size information in column I. In column D, enter the number of student responses. You can find this information on the same table on the second page of your course evaluation report. The response rate in column E and the analysis of the response rate threshold in column J will be calculated automatically. Step 4. Enter the ICM, that is the institutional composite mean, in columns F, G, and H. Input the ICM values for the course, the department, if that is applicable, and the division. You can find all of this information in section 3 on the institutional composite mean table. The analysis of the ICM range in column K will be calculated automatically. Step 5. Enter item endorsement rates for institutional item 1 to institutional item 6. In columns L to Q, enter the item endorsement rates if available. You can find the endorsement rate for each item in section 1 of the course evaluation report. For the course evaluation reports generated before 2025, you will need to calculate endorsement rates by adding the percentages of the respondents who selected the top 2 positive options. For institutional item 1 to institutional item 5, these are a great deal and mostly. For institutional item 6, these are excellent and very good. You can find the percentages in section 2 of the previous course evaluation report. Repeat for each institutional item. And repeat steps 2 to 5 for each additional course you wish to include. To gain a better understanding of the analysis columns, that's column I, course size, column J, response rate method threshold, and column K, ICM in or above the typical range, please review the summary sheet instructions document for more detailed information. You have now completed data entry for the course evaluation summary sheet, and this is the minimum recommended structure for presenting your course evaluation data. You may also wish to add department-specific items, instructor-selected formative items, or comparative scores. To copy the table to add to a dossier, Click on a cell, typically the upper left cell of the table. Drag to select the portion of the table you wish to include. Use the copy command and paste the table into a word processor by right-clicking and selecting Paste. If the table does not appear formatted correctly after pasting, consider the following. Paste the table as an image by right-clicking and selecting Paste as Picture. Adjust the margins on the page to accommodate the table. Reduce the font size within the table for a better fit, or break the table into multiple smaller tables if necessary. If you have any additional questions on the course evaluation summary sheet or course evaluation data, please reach out to CTSI for further assistance.